Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, all audience. I am Dr. Yudi Kustiawati, as Miss Amkes. I'm from Institute of Health Science Strada Indonesia. I will presentation article my research with title Systematic Review Children Immunity Response to COVID-19 Infection. Okay, the background, my research, children are the biggest investment in the family and national next generation. During the coronavirus disease 19 pandemic, children are very vulnerable to decreased immunity. See at all 2020. And then the incident of COVID-19 in the children until January for February 2020, there were 2,135 case. China's Center for Disease Control and Prevention report. In the March 2020, the first case detected in Indonesia. Immunity status in the children during the COVID-19 pandemic is certainly related to the immune response, their bodies. The immune response in the children against COVID-19 infection consists of non-specific and specific immune response. And then this immune system will respond start from the entry of the virus to the formation of specific antibodies against the virus. Methods, my research use the literature search was carried out from August to September 2020, and then database used in their literature search include in Scopus, ProQuest, PubMed, and Direct. And then I search article or journal using keyword and Boolean operator and or not. And then a keyword in this systematic review are adjusted to the medical subject handling. And then keyword in this literature review, I use COVID-19 and then COVID-19 of children or coronavirus disease 2019 and then or Wuhan COVID-19 or Wuhan coronavirus disease 2019. And then immunity response, I use keyword immunity or children immunity and or children immunity during COVID-19. This is a flowchart short system review children immunity response to COVID-19 infection. This picture, see, I use four database and then Scopus, PubMed, ScienceDirect, and ProQuest. I use Scopus. I have 204, and then in PubMed, I get 109, and then ScienceDirect, I get 18, and then ProQuest 89. And then I am use article identification by keyword, including including by population intervention and then outcome, yeah. And then I screening based on the duplication identification, and then screening based on the title identification, screening based on abstract identification, and then assessment based on full text and eligible criteria. The apa? I have appropriate and unstable article total 14. In inclusion and exclusion criteria, the strategy used to set the article use the PICO framework, and then quality rating evaluation of the quality of the systematic review using the Prisma checklist. Then and population, yeah, population I use child immune response to COVID-19 infection, and then intervention specific immune response and in children, and then outcome immune response children. Result, my research based on the result of the search from for publication from for database, 14 article we produce includes Scopus 3 article, and then PubMed 6 article, and ScienceDirect 2 article, and ProQuest 3 article. COVID-19 virus infection in children with affective the non-specific and specific immune system, but cellularly, humorally, and through the release of biochemical and inflammatory mediator in the form of the cytokine. And then identification in all article, I get non-specific immune response in the children with COVID-19 infection. The first activation of immune cell due to virus will trigger and increase the number of the white blood cell, CRP, and the activation of interleukin 6, interleukin 10, and other cytokines. And then a rapid and well-coordinated non-specific immune response is the first line of development against viral infection. However, an irregular and excessive immune response can cause immune demands to the human body. Furthermore, tissue demands caused by virus can lead to overproduction of pro-inflammatory cytokine, recruitment of macrophage and pro-inflammatory granulocyte. This can cause cytokine storm called macrophage activation syndrome, or MAS, and then our secondary hemophagocyte histiocytosis. And then level of gamma interferon include protein 10, IP10, and macrophage inflammatory protein, MEP 3 beta, significant higher in pediatric and adult patients with COVID-19. IP10 level were significantly higher in both children and adults. IP10 is an independent predictor of disease severity, especially in children. In addition, in the study of Yi Wang et al. 2020 and Sun et al. 2020, there is an increase in D-dimer in several. And then I get a specific immune response in children with COVID-19 for the article, the immune response to the virus will mediate the formation and antibodies. B cell are assisted by T cell to differentiated and endoplasma cell, which the produce antibody specific to viral antigen. Antibodies help block virus from entering the host cell to limit infection and play a very strong protective role in the later stage of infection and prevent recurrence of infection. IgM can be detected as early as 3 days after infection and provide the first line of defense of humoral immunity. After which a high affinity IgG response initiate and play a key role in long-term immunity memory. Such et al. 2021. Based on the analysis of research after studying literature from journals that match facts and theories, new theories emerged related to laboratory result in the with several acute respiratory coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2 apart from laboratory result of the body's immune response, namely in increase in the dimer yield, more than 0.5 milligram per liter, and then D-dimer, a protein fragment that appear when blood clot dissolved in the body. D-dimer is used to check for abnormalities or disorder in blood clotting. And then when an infection occurs, there is an elevation of the body's immune system. The SARS-CoV-2 virus will cause blood clotting disorder or coagulopathy. The higher the D-dimer result, the higher the risk of SARS-CoV-2 patient expansion blockade. And then blood clot in SARS-CoV-2 can cause pulmonary embolism and thromboembolic embolism that lead to severity and death. Okay. In conclusion, in my research, COVID-19 infection in children trigger non-specific and specific immune response. The non-specific immune response begin with an increase in white blood cell by recruiting macrophage and monocyte that respond to infection, releasing cytokine and other inflammatory mediator and trigger a specific immune response, namely T and B cell that will produce antibody that meets the virus. Okay, I think enough my presentation. Thank you very much for attention. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.